Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. First of all, open Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and tap on all of your pictures that you wish to add. You can also select folders and hold your photos over here. Then hit select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!